Hello everyone. In this video we're going to be showing you how to master the crafter device here in the new Minecraft version 1.21. So right now we're in the creative mode, and then we're going to be assuming that you guys already know how to build this device, how it works, and all of its functions. So we're going to show you several techniques here to get better at this device. Alright, so this is our day one design here that we built. Pretty simple redstone contraption behind, acts as a redstone clock, and then you got the hopper on the side that fills this crafter up with a recipe. So from there it's going to spit out the product, and then that goes over into the chest. Okay, so from there we develop more complicated devices, in which case we have multiple ingredients that are separated from each other with these different hoppers, and then we can build more complicated recipes here. So this guy, we're going to show you some of the limitations of this. We have a much faster redstone clock with the comparator, and then that's going to quickly produce your product. But with all these ingredients flowing into this recipe, you're going to notice that there's going to be some problems trying to get that product to be consistent. Okay, so over here, this guy is also attached to the redstone comparator clock, in which case we're going to do the same recipe, but the crafter is going to be able to produce this very quickly and without any mistakes because it's the same ingredient. Okay, very good. So let's go on down over here. This device, this one basically teaches us to use more hoppers. There's 4 hoppers attached to this guy here, in which case we create a block of bamboo. So pretty simple technique. And then this time we have a much better way of collecting the materials by using a barrel as well as a shulker box. So that shows you how to collect all these ingredients without any spitting. Okay, so much more complicated a design here has to do with us using multiple crafters. The one at the end is going to be your dispenser, and then the one behind that is going to be where we create the bow so that we can put that ingredient into this guy. So with this one here, what we're going to do, instead of producing it quickly, we're going to create a much longer redstone clock with these redstone repeaters. So that's going to slowly produce that guy here with these bows, and then we've already put all the ingredients here for the cobblestone and the redstone dust, so instead it's just going to wait for that bow to be produced here. So pretty simple design that we have. Okay, over here we're going to talk about the redstone speeds again, in which case for these recipes here we have the 2 products that are going to be produced, the desired melon and then the undesired melon seeds. So you got this across different products. You got wood, iron, sugarcane, stone, and then this one was a teaser, it's the glass. So let's see what happens when you quickly produce your items. So you're going to see that it's going to produce buttons instead of boats, seeds instead of melons. So just a word of advice that some of these designs you can't produce them too quickly. Okay, over here we got some of the more common AFK farm designs that we have that can be used to quickly organize our ingredients or to churn them from raw manufactured ingredients. And then this is what it's going to look like at the back if you decide to put everything together and quickly and easily organize that into your sugar boxes so you can pick that up for delivery. Okay. Very good. Over here we have more complicated designs that have 4 supply lines, and then the new 5 supply line. When you change this guy to a barrel, it can act as a powered redstone block as well as a output. So these are just simple products with the block of redstones, which can be used to quickly produce your product, since there's so many hoppers leading into this guy here. Okay, over here we have a more efficient production line here using multiple crafters, in which case one crafter produces the bone meal into the other one, and that creates the bone meal blocks, which is great for storing massive amounts of these bones. Okay, very good. So we have about the last design here that we've made with these auto crafters, and this one is basically a teaching reminder that the non-stackable ingredients, this is going to be the the milk bucket. So there's only one item here. The rest are stackable items: wheat 64, egg 16. So in this design here, we're going to produce the cake, and then we're going to use this clock here to create a signal delay. So this will prevent the eggs from getting inside the milk bucket line over here. Okay. Very good. And then all these milk buckets from these 3 separate hoppers. So the positioning here, left to right at the very top, those are the first ingredients going in. The sugar and wheat, we already put a stack into that. And then the egg at the back here, that guy is being delayed by the redstone signal towards that hopper. Okay, very good. So we get all those buckets and those cakes. Okay, very good. So that's essentially it for the auto crafter designs here. We got some creative mode techniques when it comes to quickly organizing this here. If you're not familiar, you should use the pick button in your inventory. Let me show you that. Pick button here attached to my mouse. So in creative mode here, you can easily duplicate that item. You can use the control and the pick button at the same time to spread this across your inventory. And then you can also use this technique guy here to copy whatever recipe and ingredients are inside these crafters. Okay, very good. And then finally, if you want to destroy everything inside your inventory screen, just hold down Shift and the destroy button here. It's going to get rid of your armor as well. Okay, very good. So these are all the redstone devices that we used here so that you can carry these designs across different portions of your AFK farms. Keep that in your ender chest here so that you can carry that about your area. Okay, very good. So that's going to be it for the video here. we taught you how to master the crafter device in the version 1.21. If you like the video here, go ahead and hit that. We don't get too many traffic here in our YouTube channel, but enjoy your day, guys.